Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use system sound on Samsung phone. Friends, you want to use system sound on Samsung phone. So how to use system sound today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to use system sound. After on phone setting, friends scroll it. Friends, click on sound and vibration setting. After on friends sound and vibration, friends you can see phone vibrate setting, phone mute setting. Friends, you want to mute your Samsung phone, friends you can mute from here. So I will unmute. Friends, you can set ringtone, notification ringtone you want to set, you can set from here. Friends, click on system sound. Friends, one by one we will talk about. So first is touch sound. So when you will on, so friends when you will click on phone button, friends you can use the touch sound. Phone setting guys, when you click any icon, any setting, friends you can use the touch sound. Friends, you don't want to use, you can off. Friends, second option is dialing keypad. Miss guys, dial pad tone, friends you can off. Friends, you can see touch sound is off, we cannot use. Friends, click on phone dial setting. Friends, you can see if you enter in number, friends you can use this dial pad sound on your Samsung phone. Friends, you don't want to use, friends you can off from here. After, friends, you can enter a number without any sound on your Samsung phone. Friends, you can Samsung keyboard. Friends, you want to use your keyboard sound. Friends, you can on keyboard sound and you can use this keyboard sound. When this keyboard sound you don't want to use, so friends come back. Click on sound vibration. Friends, click on system sound and you can off your keyboard sound. Then this is charging sound. When you will charge your phone, you can use this sound. Screen lock and unlock sound, friends on it. Friends, when you will lock your phone screen and when you will unlock your screen, you can use friends your screen lock and unlock sound on Samsung mobile. So like that friends, you can use guys your Samsung phone system sound setting guys here. Touch sound, dial pad tone, friends, Samsung keyboard sound, charging sound, screen lock sound you don't want to use, you can off. After off, friends, now you can lock your screen, and friends you can unlock your screen without any sound on your Samsung mobile. So like that friends, we can use system sound setting on Samsung phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt on your Samsung phone device, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.